Hello guys, this is Epsitech and today I'm with a friend. It's Filipe Viu. It's a Portuguese YouTuber, but he speaks English too, so
I try.
so Filipe is here because he had to help me reviewing these earphones. I'm gonna just show you the unboxing that I did. As you can see, the earphone is inside of this box as a foam on it. It was really hard to remove the earphones,
Yeah.
but we are able to
Open it very hard and destroy the box.
destroy the box totally.
Sorry. But I have only one complaint about this box because it's not as special as the product.
It's not a premium box.
Yeah. You can have a 15 euro headphones next to it and you
Not see the difference.
and there's a big difference, and I'm not
Basically,
expert.
this box is not. It doesn't reflect the quality of these earphones.
Yeah.
Anyhow, guys, what I'm gonna say is that this is for iPhones and iPads. I mean, this is for Apple only, but it will be really soon available an option for Android. So if you have Android, don't freak out. You will have this option for your mobile phones. Guys, what I'm gonna say is that these earphones is basically a surround sound, not a surround sound. It's a 3D sound. Extremely.
No, don't say like
My jaws drop.
He
when
told
I
me.
saw this.
He told me on the phone. Because, Flip, I have a surround very good kind of headphones, and I went, oh, and just another ones with noise cancelling. There's hundreds and thousands of headphones like that, but then I tried it, and yeah,
completely jaw drop. Now, as you can see, this has one particular thing that you must know is that they have a microphone here. As you can see, the mics are here, and this will create your 3D surround sound that you will get when you're seeing the movies. You can use this to receive calls and make calls. And one of the things that you must know too is that this is cancel noise. An important thing is that this is a patent from Sennheiser. It was the Sennheiser that created this kind of 3D surround sound. So I'm just not gonna extend here my video. I'm just gonna leave all black. You will try to guess where we were and just select the results.
Yes. Words don't describe this.
Don't describe this. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Check the samples. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, bye bye and see you soon. So what do you think about last night?
Oh, crazy night. Portugal night is the best night in Europe and in the world. You have the best shots, best girls, and it's completely beautiful. Yeah, you're turning your back on me. Why?
Sorry.
Yeah,
I was looking to that car. Sorry.
In the front, yes. I'm kind of a handsome guy, yeah, you know. So keep on, fuck it. Hey man, what you doing? Come on, move it. What are you testing? Oh, nice phones. White? Yeah, they look nice. Well, look good? I look good? Okay, I'll just keep skating. Bye man, bye bye. Lovely.